What volume of water would be added to 16.5 milliliters of a 0.0813 molar solution of sodium borate in order to get a 0.02 molar solution? So this is a dilution problem. So our equation for dilutions, M1V1 equals M2V2, where M1 and V1 are the initial molarity and concentrations, and M2 and V2 are the final molarities and concentrations. And so following our normal procedure for solving these kinds of problems, we're just going to list everything out here. So we have M1, V1, M2, and V2. And we'll get what's given to us from the problem. M1, our initial molarity, is 0.0813, 0.0813 molar solution. My initial volume, 16.5 milliliters, 16.5 milliliters. My final molarity is 0.02 m, 0.02 molar, and let's put my equal signs. My final volume is going to be, well, let's see, the initial volume is 16.5, and it's asking what volume of water would be added to 16.5. So my final volume is going to be 16.5 milliliters plus some volume of water, we'll call it X. And the question is asking what volume of water would be added. So I'm starting out with 16.5 and I'm adding X, and this is actually what I want to find. This is my unknown, X, the volume of water added. And now that I have this, all I have to do is just plug everything into the equation and do the math. It's very straightforward. So M1V1, that's going to be 0.0813 times 16.5 equals M2V2, which is 0.02, and my V2 is going to be 16.5 plus X. There we go. And now I'm just going to do 0.0813 times 16.5, and that will give me 1.34, and then 0.02 times 16.5. I'm just going to distribute this 0.02, so 16.5 times 0.02, that'll give me 0.33 plus 0.02 X, and subtract 0.33 from both sides, so 1.34 minus 0.33 is 1.01. 1.01 equals 0.2x, divide both sides by 0.2, and finally that cancels out. X equals 1.01 divided by 0.02. Oops, 0.02. X 0.02. 0.02. There it is. 1.01 divided by 0.02, and X is going to be 50.5 milliliters. 50.5 milliliters is what needs to be added in order to get the new concentration.